Have you ever opened your Contacts app only to find some of your contacts mysteriously vanished into thin air? You're not alone, and I'm here to help. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue and make sure your contacts stay put. So without wasting any time, let's start. Solution 1. Turn off and on iCloud contacts. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Apple ID from the top. After that, tap on iCloud from here. Then click on See All from here. After that, scroll down a little and find the Contacts option. Then toggle it off and hit Keep on My iPhone from the pop-up menu. Now wait for a few seconds and toggle Contacts and again. Then hit the Merge option from here. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Offload the Contacts app. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down a little and tap on Contacts from here. Next, tap on the Offload app. Then tap on Offload app and it will be offloaded. Now, just tap on Reinstall app and the Contacts app will begin reinstalling. Once it's finished, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Update iOS to the latest version. To do this, open up the Settings app again, then scroll down a little and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. Now, if there are any updates available, just download and install it. So guys, that's how you fix the issue of the iPhone randomly deleting contacts. If the video helped you sort out the issue, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching!